I think that's about it. It looks about the same, and it's taken me several days to. This is a very thin carbon fiber deck, but it has the reinforcements where it needs to be strong. But I have managed to get a little bit of a bump here. It's almost gone now, and I've treated it by applying several coats of spray filler, and then I'm gonna sand it down. So next time you get to see this, hopefully it will be painted white. Float trial number 2 with the heavy keel. Now both keels are gold, but I only brought this keel today, but it's going to be fun to see how the boat looks in the water. Ja. I think I'm gonna just trim, get a little bit more weight, move the keel back 2 millimeters. It's 80 thousandths of an inch, and test with this weight, because I think the boat is gonna sail good with this keel. So hopefully next time in the water we'll be sailing. So I thought I'd show you. I didn't have any O-rings, so I just took some rubber band, and so this is of course going to be flush. But I saw that on the video. It looked a little bit tacky. It gives the keel the wrong angle. Rudder, I hope it's big enough. I think test sailing will determine that. Had some overspray here, doesn't look very good, but it's on the inside. You have the winch. I might have to cut this up a little bit more to gain access, easier access. I do have the supports, or the pull rods, or whatever you call it, for the shroud plates. That has to have an additional piece on top of it, because the way that's designed or made, it's going to bend. So I'm going to work on that. You can also hear that this finish is good, but here you have overspray, so this will be lightly polished. And I have a clear coat on here, and you can tell by the different sounds it making that it needs to be polished. But I would like to take the opportunity to thank everyone for subscribing. It's amazing. We're 542 subscribers to this little channel. I have gotten requests, and my next project, I will of course finish this and sail it, but my next project will be to build US 55 and have I'm not allowed to call it an America's Cup because it's a registered trademark, but we'll call it something, tribute to 87 or something. So that will be this winter's project. So if you stick with the channel, I will start building US 55 shortly. And US 55 will be built on a positive plug, so I will print a plug where I take away the thickness of the hull, and then I'll put three layers of carbon on it, and sand, and make it look right. So it will be a faster way of building instead of going through the whole mold process, because it's quite costly to make molds. I will also build one more Kookaburra III, where I will, because I have two keels, so I have one hull. I might do a vacuum formed hull for it, and I might use vacuum also for the positive plug for the US 55. We'll try to learn how to use vacuum. So thank you very much, and over and out, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Thank you. Bye. Pelle. Pelle. Hej Pelle. 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 Pelle.